This video is about a polynomial model by Lagrange interpolation. Here is the resource. This website gives you some more information about Lagrange interpolating polynomial. The same way as matrix method. If you want to use Lagrange interpolating polynomial, you will use n points for the polynomial of n minus 1 degree, which means we will use 2 points for a linear function, use 3 points for a quadratic function, using 4 points for cubic function, and so on. In this video, I will show you use these 4 points to model a cubic function. Here is the formula for Lagrange interpolating polynomial. I will label C, D, E, F as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. Then I will use this formula to figure out a cubic function. For this formula, let's explore this y1 times x minus x2 times x minus x3 times x minus x4 all over x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, x1 minus x4. If I do the FOIL to the top and the bottom, I will get this. Then we know that for y2, y3, y4, they are symmetric expressions. Therefore, we can use Excel to work out y1 over x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, x1 minus x4. And for this coefficient, x2 plus x3 plus x4, and x2 times x3 plus x2 times x4 plus x3 times x4, and also x2 times x3 times x4. Here's the one. I will make the y1 as here, x1, x2, x3, x4. I just change the order so that I can get x2, y2, x3, y3, and x4, y4. Then I make these expressions using Excel to work out. This is the sum for the coefficient A3, A2, A1, and A0. Then I will copy this one to the Word document so that I got these 2 tables. Remember, in Word document, you have to use math type. Then I define A3 equals this, A2, A1, and A0. I get this table. Then I add A3 all together. I got the coefficient for x to the 3rd power. When you add all A2 together, that's the coefficient for x squared. Then I use the same way to figure out the coefficient for x and the constant. You will get this polynomial. So I will put this polynomial function I got through Lagrange interpolating polynomial method to the GeoGebra to check how well it fit the curve. You could say this cubic regression equation given by Lagrange interpolating polynomial fits the curve very well. When you compare this function to the polynomial regression equation given by matrix method. They are almost the same.